G'day trendsetters. The Weather Bureau, or Bureau of Meteorology, is trying to get us all excited about a little bit of rain over the next couple of days. So with a bit of luck, hopefully their predictions come true and we do get some rain. And also when there's rain predicted, I like to get some of my seeds planted, and I've got chilies here. 5 different varieties from mild to wild, but not ridiculously hot. So with the rain coming, I thought, now I've been putting it off a little bit, but yeah, with rain coming, now's as good a time as any. So apart from the DT Brown hot cayenne or cayenne chili, I've also got from an internet seed company called The Seed Collection, who are fairly good. Their delivery time is good, their variety of seed selection is quite good. I've also got here jalapenos, Anaheim, I think I'm saying this correct, habaneros, and a chili Scotch bonnet red. Now I only want one little bush of each chili. I'm going to plant 2 cells of each variety just to sort of maximise my chances of success of getting at least that one bush that I want. And there's really not that much to it. I have sifted my potting mix and added some snow or perlite, if you like, ratio of 4:1. The perlite, it just increases the drainage, but also holds water in the potting mix, so it just sort of works 2 ways. What else? I don't think there's much else just to plant. Now, so when it comes to planting, the only thing I dislike is these little plastic bags. They're a little bit fiddly, and we've got a bit of a breeze here. As soon as you put them down, the wind blows them away, but we'll see how we go. Scissors are blunt, good. Now, what is it? Instructions, sure, 5 millimeters deep, blah, blah, blah. All right, so I'll just put a little divot in here, which I think is about 5 millimeters. I better get the right packet. I've already labelled each row of cells, and this is jalapenos, which is on the end here, so I better do this one. It's only 5 mils deep, which isn't that much. I will put 2 seeds in each cell. 1, 2. I think for some reason, it might be just me, maybe not, but for some reason I think seeds like company. So I always put 2 seeds in, and I can thin them out when they grow. The strongest, you pick out the strongest seedling. I never pull the seedlings out, I just cut them off at ground level and leave the other one to grow. If you pull the other one out, you're going to disturb the root system of the seed that you've got left in the soil. It's probably no biggie, but it's just one of those things. All right, who's this? Scotch red bonnet, and that's this guy. I think there's 25 seeds in each packet, and they were only $1 or $2 each, which is fine, because I find some of the other companies like these guys, it's only a $3 packet, but 50 seeds that I'll never use. I'm sure there's people out there planting 50 seeds at a go, but I'm never going to eat that many chilies. All right, so I'll just zoom through the rest of these. Habanero, and Anaheim. So what do we go? Tapered fruits, 220 centimeters with thick flesh, green turning red when mature. All-purpose variety can be used fresh or dried, raw or cooked, mild flavour, heat 3 out of 10. It's probably going to be the one I like. Anaheim. I don't like chilies all that much. I don't like hot chilies all that much. My wife likes them, but I've never quite understood the idea of burning your mouth out for the sake of a good time. I do like growing them, they're a pretty bush. Lucky last is cyan, which is that one there. One, two. Now, I'll give these a water in with a mixture of sea salt and keep them moist. I'll place them, I've got a little area over here where they get a fair bit of morning sun, but then they're really well protected in the afternoon. Also, during the day, while I'm at work, I will cover them just with a bit of cardboard and a board. That's just to stop them from drying out so the seeds don't fail. And when I come home from work, I just lift it off and give them a drink. Now all I need to do is give them a little cover. The job's done. Like I said, I'll give them a drink now, overnight, and another one in the morning. But for a bonus round, I have already tried these once and they haven't come up, but I'm going to try again. It's a chili. How did I get it? Oh, I bought it from Bunnings. And it's a Santa Fe Grande. It's a little yellow chili, but if you leave it long enough, it will turn red. And it was nice. It wasn't very hot, but it was nice and fruity. And I saved some seed from the plant last year, so as I could have a go this year. Like I said, I've tried already. I haven't given up. Sometimes chilies can be notoriously slow, but I'll just do a second lot for good luck. I've got 5 seeds here. I'm going to put them all in. Like I said, I think they like company. I haven't got a tag here, so I can't label it, so I'll do that afterwards. So that's my, hopefully, chili collection for the summer of 2019-2020. See how we go. I'll keep you informed as we go along, as they grow, when I plant them out. And hopefully a bumper harvest of chilies, which I'm going to have to give away because there's probably the habanero, the Scotch bonnet, and even the jalapeno, which I probably won't eat. They'll be too hot for me. But I'll have fun growing them. So it is a great help to me if you would like this video and also subscribe to the channel. The more people who like and subscribe, the more videos like this I can make, and hopefully you found this a little bit interesting and informative, and you'll have your own go at growing chilies. They're not that hard. They're one of the easiest things to grow. They do take a bit of getting up by seed, that's all. So without any further ado, cheers, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.